and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I know it looks super weird with my hair towel on my head, but there is a surprise for you guys. I don't really want to spill the beans, so here it is. I just covered it with my hair towel. So as I was talking in my previous video, I am going to review a product which is related to curly hair in this Review Friday series. So this product has been all over the internet, especially if you have curly hair, then you must have already checked this video and you must have seen a lot of curly hair girls used it already or maybe reviewed it, and it's kind of a holy grail product to everybody. So yep, so with the drum rolls, I'm gonna give a first impression and review of this Denman brush. So I've heard a lot about this Denman brush. I've seen it a lot of videos and a lot of reviews and first impressions, but I haven't seen any Indian girl doing it. So I thought, why not use this product on my hair and boom, give a review or a first impression of this one. So I got this product from Amazon. So there are like a lot of products similar to this, so make sure you read the reviews and check all the ratings and stuff before you buy the genuine product. So I've seen good reviews on the one I brought, and it is a genuine product. So this is available in 5 rows, 7 rows, 9 rows. Every row is different for hair type. So if you want to know your hair type, then definitely check this picture and find out your curl type. So I am in 2C and 3A or 3B kind of a curl. So basically my curl depends on what shampoo I'm using and how I'm styling it. So it completely depends on that. So let's unbox this product. So it came in a normal, like a regular dabba. So which I'm gonna put it aside. So there are like instructions here, like how do you use it and how you want it to be. Also, when I was doing this Amazon research of to buy which product, which brush basically from which seller, there I saw 2 products. They look really similar, very damn similar. This one over here has this red rubber over here and it has dark black rubber. Out of nowhere I thought I should check the description, and it was just for the styling, blow dry stuff and detangling, when this one is for curly hair. So yeah, make sure you check it before you buy it, and I'll put the link of the product I got. I got a 9-row one. Basically you can remove 1 row of the bristles yourself. So why buy 5 or 7? You can buy 9 and then remove and keep only 5 or keep only 7 and use it as you want. So yeah, that's the reason I bought this, and the 5 one was really cheap compared to this one, and this was coming around $1,000. So yeah, that is all for the costing and pricing stuff. There's this red color rubber where you see the bristles are stuck inside, so you can just pull it down piche like this, you see, and remove the whole thing. So this goes like that, and you can take off whatever row you want. You can just make it 5 or 7. This is 9. I'm keeping it as usual, and after you take it, you just have to press this thing out like this as it was earlier. So this is gotta be on the front side and this is gotta be on the below the bottom. So I'm gonna put it back like so and take it like that. So let's go and try out this product because I'm super sweating with this whole thing on my head. So yep, let's go try this product.
Hello, so I just came out of the shower. My hair is still wet and I'm going to apply my curl definition cream using praying hands method and spread the cream all over. Then take this Denman brush 7 row and section my hair as you see and run the brush through my hair, and at the end start curling the brush and start scrunching. I'm going to repeat the process, brush through and start curling and scrunching to all the individual sections one by one. Done with one side, let's do the other one. After I'm done with both the sides, I'm taking my microfiber towel and scrunching to remove excess water and product from my hair. Now I'm going to take a little bit of gel and apply it to the hair without disturbing my curls. Then again take the same microfiber towel and cover my hair with it to let it dry for a few minutes this way and air dry for 1 or maybe 2 hours. I'll be back.
So as you see, my hair is completely dry and I just did a little bit of shaking here and there like so, just to get a little volume. And guys, my hair is super duper defined. Like, look at that. I didn't use a curler and it looks like I did, right? Look at that. And the frizz is very less, guys. It's almost like a minimum to zero. I mean, just take a moment and look at the definition. Look at the definition. I didn't expect this at all. I love it. Oh my god. So let's talk about little pros and cons about this product. So the one, it's super easy to use. It's not at all time consuming. So I did a little part. It's kind of a tricky for beginners. Like, you just need to kind of do it, because when you're doing one section, probably another can just come in between. So it's a little tricky. You need to find out how you should do it. You will get it by practice. And after the crunching stuff is done, I used a little bit of gel, like little bit of gel, just to put everything in place and get that shine. And after it's completely dry, I just broke a gel cast using scrunching method like so. And I'm here. I didn't really do anything else to my hair and became like this. Oh, I love it. So you get these beautiful definition curls within no time. So it's a yeah for me completely. So let's talk about cons in here. I don't think it's such a biggest con, but then I think it's a minimum one, and I think we can find a solution for that as well. So after you brush and stuff, all the products, like a little bit of the products are stuck in this, right? So you gotta wash it. You want to wash it so that the brush will look clean. So I washed the brush and the rubber extended a little bit, and it was a little hard for me to like put this whole thing back together. It was like a struggle. So this happened while I was doing that. Finally done. So as you saw, that was a little struggle. So I think maybe just cleaning it with wipes, or else maybe just leave it for a few minutes or few hours, then the rubber will little decrease, and then you can probably fit this back again as usual. Maybe that can work. Yep, that I don't think so that's a biggest con, but I really wanted to share the whole experience altogether. So yep, that is it. I am rating this product a good 10, no, 11 out of 10, because I'm super loving this product and the first impression is like crazy. You see it, you can find out the way this turned out to be. You saw my previous videos, my hair is not like this, like super defined. It was never like this defined. So this is biggest game changer in my life at least. Also, if you guys want to know about the products I use, like shampoo, conditioner, gel, the curl definition cream, the mousse, and the products, the tools I use to maintain my curly hair, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely make a video on that. I was basically learning all this long, so I really wanted to make a video after I became a little bit pro, not even to the extent level, but still advanced level. So I think I made it to it, and my curls says it all. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Follow me on my Instagram for updates on everything and anything curly hair, fashion, food, and almost everything that I love personally. So with that said, I'm gonna end this video right here. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get out.